Hey everybody, welcome back. I am sorry for my absence. I have moved to Florida after graduating. I've started a new job. I pretty much hit the ground running, so the channel kind of had to take a little bit of a rest here. But I'm trying to get back in the hang of things, and to start that off, we're going to look at this guy, which I got off Amazon. This is a 4-in-1 wireless charger, so it'll do your phone, both vertically and horizontally. Has storage for S Pen or something like that in the top. We'll do wireless earbuds like Galaxy Buds and a watch, and I currently have the Galaxy S3 Frontier. So we are going to go ahead and unbox this thing and see just how good this actually is. This was about $35, so you know, I'm not holding my breath, but let's see what we got in this thing. So we have a USB Type-C cable. We have different ledges that go on the front here so they can adjust to the different size and type of watch that you have. And I'll be using the 45 to 46, which I have to figure out which one that is. They're stamped on the bottom here. We have and I know this is going to sound funny when I say it, this is a quick charge 3.0 adapter rated at 15 watts. 15 watts is not fast charging by any stretch of the imagination, but sure, we'll go with that. And it's okay packaging. It's not the greatest. Set it aside there. So here we are. It's not terrible, and one thing to note about this is that the watch charger actually comes off, and it is USB. So you can plug this into the computer, set your watch on top, and it's supposed to charge that way as well. I guess we'll see about that. But the holder in here, that seems to be maybe about 3 inches deep, so it'll hold some pretty good sized stuff in there. This is not rubberized on the bottom. Actually, you know what? I take that back. There is a little sticker here that kind of covers this up. So it's not really rubber, it's more of a really dense foam. We also have an indicator light down here. And I'm going to go ahead and pull out the one for the 46 millimeter. So we have to look underneath. 41 to 44. I don't know if you guys will be able to see that or not. There you go. It's right on the bottom there. This one is 39 to 40. And this one is 45 to 46. There we are. So it looks like it has an adhesive back. Or that's just the pad that your watch will rest on. So it looks like this will end up snapping in here. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the pad off. It is definitely an adhesive pad. So it looks like that has to go this way, down in. Yep. And that adhesive holds it inside so it can't come back off. Now it's not protected with any foam or anything like the bottom for the phone is. It's just bare plastic. But it's adhesive and it does stay in pretty well. So I will be right back. I have to swap over and get the extension cord over here, and we will plug this thing in and test it out on my Google Pixel 3 XL. Oh look, there I am. Alrighty, so we've got everything hooked up. Let's go ahead and test the Galaxy S3 Frontier. Just going to drop that on the charger. And there it is. Starts charging. Perfect. Let's take the Pixel 3 XL vertically. Perfect. Starts charging. Let's try it the other way. Horizontally. Also starts charging. This is exactly what we want. Now, you'll notice there is room from behind the phone to the front here underneath the lip where the watch stand is. This is where your wireless earbuds would sit. So even if your phone is all the way out like this, there's still room for your buds to sit behind here and allow your phone or tablet or whatever to sit flat and still wirelessly charge. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take the watch USB piece, take this guy off, and he's a little warm already. We're going to take this guy, put him into the laptop, and see if we can charge the watch that way. All right, let's go ahead and plug this guy in. And let's go ahead and set the watch on top. And it charges. That's cool. I can't imagine it'll charge very quickly, but at least you have the option if you would like to take this with you, say, to work or on the go or something like that. You have a way to charge your watch. Honestly, it'd probably be better just to take the factory charger that came with it. Now, a small note is that the size of this bezel has to be right up against the computer. There isn't a lot of room, and it's actually hanging off the side quite a bit. So it's pretty easy to get this misaligned, and if you're ever so slightly off, it'll stop charging. So smaller watches it's fine for, larger watches not so much. So that'll do it for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hopefully this helped you make a decision. And if you guys think you know what the device is that I'm getting this Friday, let me know in the comments below. I'm curious to know what you guys think it is from the hints that I've dropped so far. I will try to get back into the hang of videos more and more now that I have a little bit more time. So be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys hopefully soon in the next video. Have a good one.